5 seconds. That's all it takes to change everything. The first thing you'd notice is that you couldn't take a breath. In an instant, every flame on Earth simply vanishes, revealing a cold, silent truth. Jet engines need oxygen. Without it, they simply can't keep running. Just 5 seconds changed the entire planet. Think about that. You know why all of this happened? Because you forgot to subscribe. I'm kidding. Looks like we got our oxygen back.